Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will show you how to transform a photo into a sketch in Adobe Photoshop. I have this photo. Go to the Layer menu, New, and click on a layer via Copy of it, or press Ctrl+J. Then go to the Image menu, then Adjustment and Invert, or press Ctrl+I. And change its blend mode to color dodge. Click on the adjustment layer, apply hue and saturation. Use these settings for hue and saturation. Now select this inverted layer and go to the filter menu, blur, and then Gaussian blur. Apply it. And now add a levels adjustment layer. Use these settings for levels. And that's it. Here's the before. And here's after. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.